Hi, this is Luna from Ubot Studio. Today we're going to see how to give your bots the ability to generate high-quality images with AI. Not only that, but Ubot Studio's new image generation feature supports LoRa's, so you can generate consistent characters or any number of style and image possibilities.
First, we'll drag over our UI console view. This gives us a convenient way to see the results of our artistry. Next, we'll find Create AI Image. Here we'll type in whatever kind of image we want to create. The more descriptive we can be, the better. Let's paint something pretty. We'll use log image to see the result. Okay, let's run this and see what happens. Wow, cool, let's do another.
OMG, this is fun! Next, we'll jump over to Civitai to browse for a LoRa. Okay, we've got some cartoon stuff, some weird furry thing, fantasy stuff. That looks like a samurai robot. Let's try the anime style. To use this, we want to copy the download link. So we'll go to the download button, right-click, and pick Copy Link Address. Also, we want to make a quick note of the trigger word.
Okay, now let's see how to add a LoRa for a special style. The prompt will be the same, but we'll add the trigger word to the end of it. And here we'll paste in the URL to our LoRa. While we're at it, let's change the aspect ratio. Okay, let's run this again and see how it changes. Yay, I made an anime!
And that's it. I think AI art is so cool, and I'm really excited to see what you create with these tools. Click the link in the description for the code from this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.